Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT T-Rex Pro and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. After you wake up the screen, you should see the home screen, the current watch face, and you can press and hold on the screen to open the watch face menu. And after you open the watch face menu, you can scroll through the list of watch faces by swiping left and right on the screen. Now, find the watch face you would like to use on your watch, select it, and then tap on it to apply it on your watch. You can also change the watch face through settings, so we can swipe left on the screen or press the back button to open the menu. Then you can scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, tap on it to enter the settings, and in settings you should see the option called watch face. You can tap on it, this will open the watch face menu, and again you can scroll through the menu, find the watch face you want to use, tap on it to select it and apply it. You can also customize some of the watch faces, so if you open the watch face menu, some of the watch faces have this edit icon under them, and you can tap on this icon to open the editing mode, and you can basically change the widget. For example, change it to wind, then we can tap on the second one and change it to something like battery, maybe like this. And once you're done, you can press the select button to apply the changes. Okay, another thing you can do is to change the watch face through the phone application on the phone that is paired with your watch. So let's move our watch to the side, bring our phone right here, wake up the screen on it, zoom out the camera so you can see the whole screen, like this. Okay, and now we can open the Zap application on the phone that is paired with our watch. I'm gonna deal with the permissions for a second, and once you're done, once you open the application, you should see the home page, and you can tap on the profile icon, select your AMAZFIT T-Rex Pro from the list of devices, and on this page you should see option called watch faces. You can tap on it, and then you can tap on mine, and here you have the list of watch faces on your watch, and you can find the one you like, tap on it to select it, and it's gonna be applied on your watch after a second or two, like this. And once you're done, you can close the application. And that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.